Läuft.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to explain a little bit the TVET system in the water sector in Germany, how many people we train, what is the history, so that we can also see why we need this for World Skills International to come up with a new skills competition in water and wastewater technology. Here I prepared some figures, 2009, 2010, 2011. We have three occupations in the water sector in Germany. We have the water supply technician, the wastewater technician, and the sewer, pipe, and industry technician. If you look to the figures, you can see that we have about 130 people every year in the water supply technician. We have about 400 in the wastewater technician, and in pipe and sewer and industry, we have 150 to 180. So if you count that all together, it comes to nearly 800 people per year what we train in Germany in the water sector. So we started in 1984, so there's more than 30 years that we do that in Germany. And if you calculate 30 years by 800 people, it comes to 24,000 people who were trained in Germany roughly during the last 30 years. So who's working in Germany in the water sector? In the water supply, we have about nearly 40,000 people in the water supply. Wastewater, 40 to 43,000 people are working in the water utilities in Germany. Germany has about 80 million people. And if you look to a city for 1 million people, roughly, you need 500 to 800 people for water supply, and you need 500 to 800 people for wastewater utilities. We calculate also how many academics are working. In Germany, it's about 17%, but when we calculate with 20%, which is quite accurate, and then we know that 80% of these 80,000 people working are workers. So that is our target group. In wastewater utility, approximately 50% of all the technicians are wastewater technicians. We have seen the figures before. In water supply, they don't train so many in this field. They also have a lot of electricians, plumbers, and fitters. So the rest of the 50% is covered by plumbers, fitters, lab staff, and administration staff. They cover the rest of the 50%. We have a European qualifications framework with 8 levels. And what we qualify here for the water and wastewater technician in Germany is level 4. And the level 4 wastewater technician can run a wastewater treatment plant up to 30,000 people independently on his own. We also trained a lot of people who already worked in the field, that what we call the external training. We provide 13 weeks training course over 1.5 years. And so they do the same qualification final test at the end. And we're doing that on 4 locations in Germany since more than 30 years. Based on the wastewater and water technician, we have a senior water technician. This is also a 13 weeks training course what we provide in Germany. And a wastewater senior technician can run a wastewater treatment plant up to 80,000 population equivalent. And this is according to European qualification level number 6. So I think that is also very important. So why we do that? Because I think a lot of countries have to find out how many people they have to train, what they have to do. We want to gear up for World Skills Abu Dhabi. We want to set up a water and wastewater technician in Abu Dhabi. The details, what the people learn, I come to that later. But we all have to lobby for this new skills competition and to support World Skills in this effort. Thank you very much.